Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Tunes where engineering is made easy. In the last video on the part 1 of e-commerce application, we have seen how to make this application. What does application consist? Consist of user registration, user authentication and your product registration. Okay, I deliberately cut that part at this point of time so that we can have part 2 separately, and the part 1 is prerequisite of that part, but it is not must that you should implement the part 1 to build this application. You can start with this part, like part from part 2 directly also. So in this video we are going to see how to build this application. So the main thought behind the application, or the fundamental block of this application, is called as card. Here we are developing a product card in which every product card has one picture box which consists of picture of that product, then one text box which consists of the name of that product, and two labels, the actual price and the discounted price. So this one card is called as product card. Likewise, we are going to build n product cards based on a number of products we have in our database, and this is called as dynamic UI, because we are not going to do this process one by one कि एक बटन लो, एक पिक्चर बॉक्स लो, ये करो, एक प्रोडक्ट बन गया. Same do for two products. Okay, we are not going to do this. We are going to build this UI through backend only. So without wasting any time, let's see how we can build this. So just go to Solution Explorer, right click, add new form and create new form. Give it name as, let's say, product card or product, whatever you want. Okay. So yes, you will have a blank form. So you will have a blank form. On this form, we have to create a GUI. Now let's check Amazon sites so that we can refer their GUI to apply on our site. Okay. So this is the Amazon site. Okay, so let's see. These are nothing but their products. Just like us, there will be an admin of Amazon who is going to add these products into Amazon web application, right? So we have done with this part. Now what Amazon user homepage is doing, they are just getting their product information from the database, and they are showing this product information into a card form. So see, this is very important concept, card concept. Let's see what is meant by card. So this is nothing but one product card in which the information of particular product is displayed. So each product has its image, then its name, small description, and the price, let's say discounted price and total price. So this is called as one product card. Now what we have to do, we have to create one product card and copy that product card n number of times for n different products. Done. So let's go to our design and create this product card. So see, normal approach. Okay, what will be the normal approach? Just go to toolbox and we want picture box, then one label for showing name, and one label for showing discounted price, and one label for MRP or total price. Okay, so in normal approach, what we will do, we will just drag all the elements over here and our one product card is ready. Then we will select all these elements, UI elements, and copy for another product. But think, now we have, let's say, 10 or 12 products, then it is okay. How Amazon is doing, वो सीखना है हमें कि रियल वर्ल्ड एप्लीकेशन में कैसे काम होता है, क्योंकि अमेज़न के पास तो ढेरों सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हो गए, 50,000 60,000, वी डोंट नो. तो वो क्या इतने बार कॉपी पेस्ट करते हुए थे? ऑफ कोर्स नॉट. और एक सी, ये तो होगा नंबर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. एट एनी टाइम एडमिन कैन ऐड न्यू प्रोडक्ट. अब एडमिन ने प्रोडक्ट ऐड किया तो इमीडिएटली अपने एप्लीकेशन में वो प्रोडक्ट दिखना चाहिए, ना कि एडमिन हमें फोन करेगा कि यार मैंने प्रोडक्ट ऐड किया है तो जस्ट कोड कॉपी पेस्ट कर ले और एक प्रोडक्ट का यानी कि वो प्रोडक्ट दिख जाएगा. ऐसा तो होता नहीं होगा. तो कैसे करते हैं? द आंसर इज डायनेमिक यूआई. मींस व्हाट? This is static UI, means all the elements will be static, nothing will be changed. जैसे कि लॉगिन पेज था, पिक्चर बॉक्स ही रहेगा, टेक्स्ट बॉक्स ही रहेगा, सारे अपने जगह पर ही रहेंगे और एक ही बार रहेंगे। डायनामिक यूआई में क्या होता है, ये जो फ्रंट एंड वाला पार्ट है ना, वो भी हम बैकएंड से बाय कोडिंग वी आर गोइंग टू जनरेट फ्रंट एंड। दिस इज कॉल्ड एज डायनामिक यूआई। एंड फॉर दैट you will amaze, we require concept of structure. Yes, you heard it right, we require concept of structure to create dynamic UI, to create UI like Amazon, Swiggy, Flipkart, any modern application. Okay, so just go to File Explorer, Solution Explorer, right click, then add. Yes, and now what we have to do, we have to click on user control. Just click on it, and yes, you have to select user control Windows Forms. We are in Windows Forms right now. Just give a proper name, let's say product structure, and click add. We have already added it, so just click cancel and go to product structure. Yes, here the product structure, you will get a blank form, okay, of this size. Just resize it. This is nothing but your product card. Here we are going to design a card for one product, and then through backend code we are going to generate n number of these cards and display at the front end. Done. तो अमेजिंग पार्ट ये है कि दिस इज नथिंग बट स्ट्रक्चर। जो अपन ने ऐड किया ना वो स्ट्रक्चर है। अब स्ट्रक्चर की बेसिक डेफिनेशन क्या है? इट इज अ यूजर डिफाइंड data type or user defined structure in which user can access or user can use n number of fundamental or primitive data types। जैसे एक स्ट्रक्चर में तुम 4 इंटीजर, 5 फ्लोट, देन 6 एरेज कुछ भी कर सकते हो। Likewise in GUI the structure is called as custom UI that we are going to design now. So in this you can use these basic different elements. These are nothing but primitive data types. Button is a primitive data type, then text box is a primitive data type. So just drag and create this UI. This is one picture box, then this is one text box. We have resized the text box so that the product full name can be shown. Then this is label for displaying discounted price, and if you can see there is a strikeout label. How to create this? Just copy the label and go to its properties in font. Yes, in font, just open that font. You will see a sub property called as strikeout. Set it to true, so it will just strike out your label. We can use this to show MRP or let's say total price, and this for actual price, that is discounted price. देन इतना क्रिएट किया है, जस्ट सेव योर प्रोजेक्ट। अभी चलो देखते हैं कि हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू यूज दिस प्रोडक्ट स्ट्रक्चर इन आवर प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म। सो जस्ट गो टू प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म, नाउ सी, सो जस्ट गो टू बिल्ड एंड प्रेस rebuild. So it will rebuild your application, and now there is a fun part. So in product, just go to toolbox, and at the top of the toolbox you will see product structure, e-commerce app component के अंदर product structure. This is nothing but the UI element, a structure of UI element, or you can say custom UI element that we have created. Just drag that on your form. Yes, you will see picture box, text box and 2 labels. Done. अब समझ में आ गया कि चीजें क्या हो रही है? Instead of drawing the different parts of that and then making a structure, we have created our custom UI elements. So after drawing it, you will get all this custom UI in one group. So just delete it. We don't want it actually. We don't want to drag and drop. We want that through backend code how we can generate this product structure and place it into this UI element. Before that, in toolbox you will see flow layout panel. Yes, just drag and drop over it and resize it to corner of your form. So flow layout panel should fill all the form, and now just click on this window bar of your form. So just here double click, you will get to product load. This is form load method, means whenever your form is loading, means your form is initiating, all this code will be executed. So फॉर्म कब इनिशिएट होगा? जब यूजर ने लॉगिन किया है तब फॉर्म इनिशिएट होगा. उसी वक्त हमें क्या करना है? We have to fetch all the products from our Excel sheet and just display that products into our product structure UI element, right? So this is nothing but Excel sheet code. We are referring to products.xlx.com, which we have created at the time of when admin dashboard time, correct? So all this thing, Excel range, and now see, this is the fun part. So अगर आपने वीडियो अभी तक अच्छे तरह से पूरे ध्यान लगा के देखा है और कोड किया है तो आपको एक बात पता चल रही होगी कि जब भी एक्सेल में कोई डेटा डालना है या फिर एक्सेल से डेटा फेच करना है, वी नीड एन एरे टू स्टोर दैट डेटा, राइट? सो अभी देखो एक्सेल में क्या डेटा है? पूरे प्रोडक्ट का डेटा है और एक प्रोडक्ट के पास कितने एट्रीब्यूट्स है? नेम, देन डिस्क्रिप्शन, पिक्चर, डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस एंड प्राइस. इसमें से हम डिस्क्रिप्शन का यूज अभी नहीं करने वाले हैं. सो हमारे पास 4 एट्रीब्यूट्स है जो कि प्रेजेंट है प्रोडक्ट स्ट्रक्चर में. So we need to create array of product structure, means that custom UI element form. Okay, so products. So क्या हो जाएगा? So after executing this line, what in memory location, one array will be created whose name is products, and what we are doing equal to new product excel range.rows.com. ये क्या करता है? एक्सेल के कितने रोज फिल्ड है ये हमें बताता है. ओके, सो सपोज देयर आर 10 प्रोडक्ट्स इन आवर एक्सेल शीट, सो दिस विल रिटर्न 10 and the size of this array will be 10. So 1 2 3 4 and 10. So we can store 10 products in this array, okay, of type product structure, that is the custom UI element. Next, then we are iterating through Excel rows, means per product we are going to do some code. So see, there is a slight difference between CPP array and C# or Java array. Okay, so ये बोलते से क्या हो जाएगा? ये जगह अलोकेट हो जाएगी पर इसमें कोई प्रोडक्ट स्ट्रक्चर का ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं बन जाएगा. सो इसमें अगर मुझे प्रोडक्ट स्ट्रक्चर यूज करना है, सो आई नीड टू क्रिएट, सो सी नाउ रो इक्वल टू 1 एंड आई वांट टू यूज दिस zeroth element of this array. So products of row -1, that is products of 0 equal to new product structure. मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? इसमें एक प्रोडक्ट स्ट्रक्चर का एट्रीब्यूट बन जाएगा जिसमें क्या क्या है? एक पिक्चर बॉक्स है, एक टेक्स्ट बॉक्स है और 2 लेबल्स है. डन, समझ में आ गया? देन प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ रो -1 मतलब ये प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 0 डॉट लेबल नेम, मींस ये वाला डॉट टेक्स्ट इक्वल टू क्या लिखा है? एक्सेल रो शीट रो मतलब फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम का वैल्यू, क्योंकि हमने सेव करते हुए एक्सेल शीट में प्रोडक्ट सेव करते हुए क्या किया था? फर्स्ट कॉलम इज फॉर नेम. सो उसमें से फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट का नेम आ जाएगा और वो कहां पे जाएगा? lb name डॉट टेक्स्ट, मतलब इस जीरोथ एलिमेंट जीरोथ एरे के ऑब्जेक्ट में नेम चला जाएगा. सपोज दैट प्रोडक्ट इज किंडल, ये चला गया. देन lb डिस्काउंट प्राइस मतलब ये वाला लेबल, उसमें क्या चला जाएगा? सेम प्रोडक्ट का सेकंड कॉलम वाला पार्ट, जो कि हमने खुद डिसाइड किया है कि ये सेकंड कॉलम में रहना चाहिए. सो यहाँ पे डिस्काउंट प्राइस आएगा, सेम फॉर टोटल प्राइस यहाँ पे जाएगा. और अब इमेज कैसे ले? तो हमने सेव करते वक्त आपको बोला था कि हम फाइल का पाथ मतलब जो इमेज एडमिन ने सिलेक्ट किए वो भी एक्सेल में सेव करेंगे, राइट? विच इज लोकेटेड एट 5th कॉलम. सो see product row -1, that is product 0th, pb means picture box product dot image, that name we have given to this picture box. इसकी image property क्या होनी चाहिए? new bitmap means create new image and select path from दैट प्रोडक्ट फिफ्थ कॉलम मीन्स जो यू एडमिन ने एंटर किया था ना कि मुझे ये इमेज चाहिए, वो हमने पाथ सेव करके रखा है, तो उस पाथ पे जाके वो इमेज रिक्रिएट करके किसको असाइन करो, pb product dot image, मतलब यहाँ पे आ जाएगी किंडल की इमेज जो एडमिन ने सिलेक्ट की थी। लाइकवाइज ये सारा कब तक चलेगा, जब तक रोज में कुछ वैल्यू है, मतलब नंबर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट जितने हैं तब तक ये सारे चलते जाएंगे। डन? समझ में आएगा? नहीं समझ में आएगा तो वीडियो फिर से देखो, शांत से देखो। और कहां से देखना? जब हम प्रोडक्ट स्ट्रक्चर तैयार करने जा रहे थे ना, तब से देखना। ओके, तो ये होने के बाद अभी क्या करना है मुझे, ये तो तैयार हो, ये तो फिक्स हो गया मेरा प्रोडक्ट स्ट्रक्चर। अभी ये प्रोडक्ट कार्ड मुझे डिस्प्ले करना है, कहां पे? प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में। सो प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में भी कहां पे डिस्प्ले करना है? फ्लो लेआउट पैनल में। सो फ्लो लेआउट पैनल 1, that is name of our flow layout panel, dot controls that add products of row minus 1 means 0, मतलब उस फ्लो लेआउट पैनल में मेरा ये प्रोडक्ट कार्ड ऐड कर दो। ऐसे सारे n नंबर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स के कार्ड फ्लो लेआउट पैनल में चले जाएंगे। उसके बाद क्या करना? एक्सेल सेव करना और रिलीज करना। दिस इज कॉल्ड एज डायनेमिक यूआई, in which you have to use arrays of structure. This is my array and this is my structure, custom UI element, and this is my array of structure. The same concept we learned in our prerequisite course, right? So now just save and execute and let's see कि हमारे products excel के निकल के product card में आते हैं या नहीं। Okay, we have added one user Aryan, so just enter its email and password, no problem, and login. Yes, can you see this all products we have added through our admin dashboard, and now we are fetching all products in Excel and adding them into our custom product card, and just resize it. You will see it is responsive. This is because that flow layout panel. Okay, if you don't use that flow layout panel, your application will not be responsive. Keep this in mind. That's why we have used flow layout panel. So just maximize it. Let's see. So this is my product structure, UI element, image, then name, then this discounted price and this total price. ओके, सो एडमिन ने क्या किया था? एडमिन ने ये डाला था सिर्फ और डिस्काउंटेड परसेंटेज दिया था, तो हमने कैलकुलेट करके ये प्राइस निकाली थी। ऐसे सारे। सो नाउ यू कैन ऐड n number of elements, whatever number of elements you want, you can add into our product card and it will see here. So जैसे एडमिन नया एलिमेंट ऐड करेगा वो एक्सेल में जाएगा और एक्सेल से हमें क्या मिलेगा? सपोज पहले 10 थे तो 11 मिलेंगे, तो एक और जगह बन जाएगी अपने एरे में, और यहाँ पे 10 का प्रोडक्ट कार्ड होगा और यहाँ पे 11th प्रोडक्ट कार्ड होगा। डन? But what we want actually, we want this banner image at the top of our form also. So this is super simple. Just drag and drop the picture box over there. Go to Amazon's website. You will see there's banner image there. Just right click, save images, and save that image and choose that image as a static image for this picture box. Okay, I'm sure you can do that. We have done this several times while setting our logo. Okay, ये हो गया है. Now it's time for bonus tip, and we will see how top brands in industry uses this card system to build their own applications. Okay, so let's see how YouTube uses this card system to build their site. So we are on YouTube on Engineering Tudes page. So you will see, yes, this is one banner picture, same as we have just said that. Okay, so user will choose what banner picture he wants, and that banner picture will be displayed here, and just scroll down and you will see all the Engineering Tudes video over there. Now if you look carefully, okay, see, this is one card. In our case that was our product card. In YouTube case this is a video card. in every card, YouTube uses a single video element, like we use our picture element. Then this is the title of that video, and these are the views and the date. He pulls from the database and show us here. Same thing we have did, we pull the price from the database and shows user in the product card image. So YouTube is using video card same as our product card. So just scroll up there, you can see all these are nothing but video cards. Now second most important thing, if you click on this, suppose I click on this video, okay, then playlist, just go on there. So what you are seeing, so basically banner image and this thing, so this much of area is static, means nothing is changing rather than this small line over there. But what is changing, this area is changing, right? So if you change to channel, these all will be same and the rest of the area will change. So what they have did, so this is their one form and this is another form which will change according to users reaction. So in our case, we build simply two different forms and link them each other. What YouTube did, they have displayed one form into another form, and we are going to see how we can build this in our next video. Okay, so keep this in mind, we are going to do this. So this is video card of YouTube. Now let's go to Facebook and let's see how Facebook uses the card system. So we are on Engineering Tunes Facebook channel. So Facebook call this as post card. So every post is nothing but their card, in which every card has one image, then its title, then below that this is the some views or engagement status that they are going to show you, like we did for price. They are going to pull this all numbers from database and just show you on the their postcard image. And below they have three buttons, like, comment and share. So if user click on this like button, what they will do, they will just update their database with concern with this post and increment the like count by 1. Simple technique they are using. And they have comment section in which all the comments will be listed. So we are going to see how we can build this postcard in our coming videos, in which we are going to build a clone of Facebook or Instagram, say. So we are going to see this, keep this in mind. Okay, so this is Facebook postcard. Now let's go to another industry, food industry, let's say, and let's see how Swiggy is using card system. So I told you, in Swiggy, the card will be food card, in which every food card consists of one image, title, then a subtitle you can say, then they have some details around that card and the discount price for that, the food the price they are giving. So this is nothing but food card, like our product card. So Swiggy is using card system also. And now the last we will see the hotel industry. So we will see how Trivago is using card system. So for Trivago, it will be a hotel card in which image, then some stuff over there, and this view deal button, their main concern, right? So this is very important, that before going to build this web application or mobile application, you must know what card system is and how all these things work, like how dynamic UI works. If you have watched this video up till now, congrats yourself, because you are the good programmer which is willing to study or which is willing to create new applications. Okay, so congrats yourself. This is not a simple task, guys, and if you relate the theory with application, this is the structure of array concept. Then we have studied array, then 2D matrix. So I am requesting you from bottom of my heart, just come to our site, just have a visit on this particular fundamentals of data structure course, watch our previous video, watch our contents. we are taking a lot of efforts to show you guys importance of data structure, because without data structure you can't build anything, any simple to complex, any applications you can't build with data structure, guys. So just think yourself and come to our application, have preview, and with nominal price you can get huge amount of knowledge which will help you to succeed in your life. Okay, so if you guys doing this, if you guys following series, tell us in the comment, tell us with different applications you made through this knowledge. If you have built any new application, reach us at letstalk@enggtools.com. Show us your screenshots, screen recordings. We are very happy if we know that our users are working and creating different applications. Okay guys, thanks for joining Engineering Tunes, where engineering is made easy.